Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you 10 good websites that can actually give you free money online for your needs. Welcome to this channel. My name is 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐑. I've come to the conclusion that many of us need money to fund our business and careers, not because we don't have, but it's not enough to fund our dreams. That is why I will show you 10 good websites that rich people can actually give you money for your needs. There are a set of people that need financial assistance, hoping that there should be someone to show up for one or two financial assistance, as you all know that all fingers are not equal. So there are certain websites that you can go into to look for help. There are this set of people that wish to fund your dreams, that wish to help your career. So the first website I'm going to show you now is called ulule.com, ulule.com. This is the website right here. You can actually sign up by clicking on sign up. You put in one or two details. Can you see? You register your first name, last name, and all that. Then you create a username and password. So after signing up on the website, you go ahead and log in. So you can actually go through the website. And look at what they are into. Okay, this is ulule.com. Can you see? Make good things happen. The top services are starting trading and financing your project. So this is actually a good website that can fund your project. It's actually good for companies, or you have an ongoing project that you need people to fund for you in the hope of getting a good return in the project. Can you see? So you can actually sign up on the website. Can you see? Sign in on the website. So we actually have a lot of projects in progress here. We have comments, games, music. Maybe you are a musician and you need funds for your project. Maybe you are a fashion designer, you are into health and wellness, publishing and media and others. So there are a lot of projects here that they can fund for you. So having said that, there is this second website I'm going to show you now. It is called crowdfund.com. 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 This is another website where rich people do give out money based on your projects, based on your finances, based on your businesses that you want them to fund for you. So you can actually scroll down and look at what they are into. All these websites I'm showing you are majorly for those people that have an ongoing project that they need rich people to fund for them, or they have their projects that they want them to look into for them. It is not meant for those that doesn't have an already existing project at all. So you can also sign up on this website and go through it very well. So because of my time, I won't be going into each pages. So you can just create time to look at it very well. So can you see this type of people? They have their storybooks that they want them to publish, that they needed help for the books. Can you see all these people? They have written their proposal, they have shown their books that okay, this is the type of book that I want to publish, that I need help on. So having said that, okay, this is also meant for filmmakers too. If you are a filmmaker and you need money for your productions too, you can also go to this website and write your proposal for them. You might be lucky they choose you or they attended to you, because in this video I'm not going to guarantee you 100% of attention. Maybe if you apply today, project tomorrow, so I'm not assuring you. I'm here to just show you those websites that you can actually go through that can help your career. So the third website I'm going to show you now is rockethub.com. rockethub.com, rockethub.com. This is also a very good website. This is a very good website for entrepreneurs and also programmers, developers that needs money to fund their project. Maybe they develop an app and they need money to launch it and all that. So this is where they come to, and they also submit their requests here. Can you see each product there? So this is where they submit their ongoing projects. So can you see this website actually fund a lot of businesses, a lot of projects too. So you can also try your luck, and you can also go through this website and try your luck. If you are a programmer, you are an entrepreneur, and you are into tech also, you can also go into this website. As you can see it here, that they are majorly focused on tech. So the fourth website that I'm going to show you now is Fundly.com. Fundly.com is also a website that you can go into to write your proposal and whatever you need money to finance. So can you see, a little care can change the world. Start a fundraiser. You can actually sign up here and do whatever they ask you to do. So you can take your time to look at what they are majorly doing here, because I'm sure it's also for fundraiser. Can you see, if you need help for your clubs or community creative projects, disaster relief, can you see kids and family and all that, you can actually go to this place, because there are a lot of category here that you will love. So whichever one you choose, whichever one you need help to, you just have to go to this website and click on any of them, then write your proposal. The fifth website I'm going to show you is JustGiving.com. JustGiving.com is also a good website that you can also sign up into and submit your proposal, your request to. Is especially if you are in a country that there is earthquake or fire crisis and all that, you can also go here to request for help, to request for finances in one way or the other. So having said that, the sixth website I'm going to show you now is what we call GoGetFunding.com. So GoGetFunding.com is also very powerful for personal fundraising. So you can also sign up here too and check them out. They are easy, trusted, and they have fundraising coach. Can you see? So you can just take your time and check out. They have some fundraising categories too. They have sports, religious, personal, legal, volunteer, and travels. So they have a lot of categories here that you can also check out. So having said that, the seventh website I'm going to show you now is what we call Fundable.com. So what is Fundable.com? Fundable.com is also a website that you can check out if you are just starting your business. Can you see, startup fundraising platform? So you can also submit your proposal. So you just have to sign up on their platform. Just click on get started and check it out. So all these websites I'm giving to you, you just have to check each and every one of it out. Probably one or two of the websites that I mentioned here can be of help to you. So the good part of information is that if someone gives you information, you just have to check out if this information is true or not before you concluded that it's not through. Hope you understand. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that whenever I have a video like this, next time you'll be notified. So I'm going to the 8th website. So the 8th website, I'm going to show you the number 8 website. As I promised that I'm going to show you 10 good websites that you can actually check out for fundraising. So the 8th website I'm going to show you is what we call Fundmytravel.com. Fundmytravel.com is majorly for those people that want sponsors for their travels. Maybe you want to travel to Canada, Kenya, Dubai and others, and you actually need funds for your travels. You can actually go to this website to sign up. As you can see, they've actually helped some people to fulfill their travel mission. So you can also sign up there too and check it out. So this is the number 8. So the next website I'm going to show you now is what we call. So the ninth website I'm going to show you is what we call CircleUp.com. All this website does the same function. CircleUp.com also fund your loans request. So they fund your loan interest. If you want to apply for a loan, you can also apply here. And if you also want to seek for empowerment for financial needs, you have to go to this website. So you can also read about them too, shining a light on untapped potentials. So all these websites, they are ready to support your careers. All you have to do is just to check all these websites one after the other so that you can know what you have to go to, so that you can know which website you will go to, so that you can know which one you have to opt into in this 10 good website. So going to the last website, the 10th website I'm going to show you is what we called Fundme.com. GoFundMe.com. You can click on how it works to check it out. You can sign up and do whatever you want to do here for your financial fundraising. Can you see fundraising on GoFundMe? It takes just a minute. That is, they don't waste time. All you have to do is just to put in your demands, and all you have to do is just to submit your proposal with them. So all these websites that I've shown you didn't guarantee you of getting free money online. It's just for those that has what they are doing already. It's not for the lazy people or those that didn't have an ongoing project, that doesn't need an help for an already existing project. So it's not meant for the lazy people. Some people might want to go to this website and just write their request without having a tangible reason for going there. So I'm sorry, you might be disappointed. So they majorly design all these websites to give you support in whatsoever you are doing. So thank you very much. If you know this is helpful, kindly click on the subscribe icon and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I dropped a video like this. So do well to subscribe. So thank you very much. I love you. If you want to link up with me or get in touch with me, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp link in the description below so that you can just get my attention if you have any other questions to have me. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.